Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Fortnite split screen on Xbox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing that we have to make sure is that you have to have a second controller that is ready and it is connected with your Xbox. If you do not have access to second controller, then you won't be able to play Fortnite with the split screen with the second user. Right, once you have your second controller connected with your Xbox, you will have to go to your lobby and you will be able to access this kind of connection options in the bottom. All you have to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your second controller is perfectly detected to the device and is connected. Now afterwards you will find this option, like you can see right over here. You have to press P2 to log in and hold. You can see press login, right? So for the other user of yours, you can also choose to add the user that you created yourself, or you can also access a guest for you to play in a split screen. But if there is another user already, and then all that person has to do is simply press on the button as it asks for it to join. Once they have pressed that button and tap on this login, they will be able to log in, and the second controller will be activated as well, and your split screen will somewhat look like this over here. And you can both, once you are in the same lobby, you can choose to duel, you can choose to match, and then you can start your battles and simply start playing. So that is a way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.